Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the lift gate, also known as trunk on GMC Terrain. Guys, this generation right here from year 2010 to year 2017, stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. Quick advice guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, now for the trunk, the lift gate, tailgate, come to show you which fuses and relays we need to check. We will demonstrate on this generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What you guys need to do now, open the hood and facing the engine here on the right side now. This is the main engine fuse box next to the brake fluid reservoir here. You have a clip here, a clip there, release them, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here we need to check 3 different components depending on which year, model and configuration you have. You may have all of them or some of them. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 23. That's the main fuse right here, 30 amp fuse for the power lift gate, fuse number 23. Next, you need to check fuse number 32 right here. And we have one more fuse specifically that we need to check, that's known as fuse number 49 right there. So those are the main fuses that you need to check for the trunk, the lift, tailgate. You don't have a relay, those are known as relay fuses, but if you still have problems with it, you may want to check the fuses for the BCM. This is the body control module. If you don't know where these fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.